Definitely, I recommended F16. You're the best.
Yeah, I want to say like Saad with full experience in Facebook ad and everything.
Definitely recommended to like every company in the US that want to grow and to generate good customers.
So, what would you rate F16 Media LLC out of 10, especially for air duct cleaning companies?
10 of 10.
10 out of 10. Mea filmea.
Hi guys, Saad here from FCC Media with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you that how we have helped our company generate close to 1200 leads in the span of 3 months using paid ads with F16 Media LLC that specialize in air duct and dry chimney cleaning marketing. So let's get directly into it and show you how you can do the same for your company as well. Okay, so this is the campaign, the ad account of the company I'm talking about. So you can see we have spent $19,254 and we have generated close to 1,200 leads in the span of 3 months. Now, how is it possible? It is possible because we are running the ads in a market where the supply is high and the demand is more higher than the supply. People need the service. People want a trustable people to come to their house and clean their air ducts, vents, AC, and whatnot. People want you. The thing is, if you are not getting leads and appointments at the moment, the reason is that you are not in front of your targeted audience who's looking for you. But for this company, our client is in front of them. Okay, they are in front of their eyes all the time that hey, we can help you with the docks, we can help you with the dryers, we can help you with the ACs. Because home service marketing, air duct marketing is all about trust and efficiency. Because no one is charging clear $1,000 or $2,000. Everybody is coming for a free inspection or a basic cleaning at the first place. If you are looking to start the same thing for your business, what you need is the best ads, the best content, the best strategy, the best creatives, the best optimization, then the best scaling method, then continuous testing. Advertising right now in 2024 is all about testing, testing, testing. If you don't test good, you're not gonna win. Exactly. You have to test continuously if you gotta win. If you cannot test it, you are not gonna win, period. So if you are looking, then make sure first of all you have the best ad. How to create one, let me tell you. For example, if you use rotor brush or snake or negative air pressure, whatever machine you use for the opening the vent and cleaning the docks, put a GoPro or put an iPhone or something and capture the video. And then put it, your logo, make it beautiful by putting the music, and then run the ads. Drive traffic to your WhatsApp business. Drive traffic to your messenger. So it's no big deal. All you need is to get started first. Get started first and figure out later. But if you don't want to waste time and money, hire someone who's professional, who know your market. Let's say we have 16 Media, just work with the other companies, driving companies, chimney cleaning companies. We don't offer marketing to all the companies out there. We just work with specific home service industries. If you are also looking to, get help for your air duct and dryer cleaning company, you can visit our landing page by clicking the button below, and you will learn more about us, that how our company can help you get more leads and appointments. But before you hop off from this video, I'm going to tell you, get the content ready. Doesn't matter if you hire someone else or not, but start yourself. Don't leave money on the table if you're doing this business, because you are not letting yourself achieve those goals. So get started before it's too late. Peace.